tuned. I got everything I needed to get the car tuned, so we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. We're gonna be using Eugene Turkoff from Enthusiast Care. He's actually gonna be Bluetooth tuning the vehicle for me. So we're using ECUTek and a lot of stuff. We're actually gonna be running off speed density to tune the car. So I needed a new sensor, so he was able to send me a new sensor, so we can go ahead and read everything off the manifold in regards to the turbo and stuff like that. So let me go ahead and show you what I can do. GT3 4-bar. So yep, we're gonna get that installed, and yeah.
You're just gonna go ahead and remove the factory map sensor right here, and just go ahead and unconnect the sensor like this. Just pop it off.
The sensor off, and just like the injectors, make sure you go ahead and lubricate the new O-ring before you put it into the manifold. Sensor is in. I just lubricated it, and now we just gotta put it in. It's that simple.
So we got the ECUTek out right now. We're just basically downloading everything onto the computer, the license, all that stuff. So I'll leave the link in the description of the video I watched. I watched the video from the Carizon. He explained exactly what you do. He does step by step. So it's exactly what I'm doing. So I'm not going to show really what I'm doing. But yeah, so I'll leave the link in the description below so you can go and see what video I actually watched to go ahead and do this for me.
Give me a quick update. I had to go buy a brand new computer because the Windows computer I had was just way too slow. Because I actually have a MacBook for like my personal stuff like that, and I use that. But you need a Windows computer for ECUTek, so I had to go buy a new one. So that's why you see me in the car. Got Mar with me now. Yes, sir. So yeah, so we're on our way back to the dealership right now. I got the brand new computer. I might just take it back right after that. We'll see. Yeah, I had to get a brand new computer just to go ahead and use ECUTek because it wasn't working on my old one. So, but yeah, so we're on the way back. So hopefully we can get this thing tuned and done today. I'm so tired of buying and spending money on I won't say unnecessary stuff, but like on necessary stuff that I need, like things that I didn't know I needed for the turbo. So I can't wait to do a breakdown video of how much it costs to actually do the turbo and everything. But man, it's definitely more expensive than I thought.
Got the new computer, got it uploaded, and we're finally getting started on everything. So let's do it. Currently tuning the car, and I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I don't know what the hell's going on. Eugene is remote tuning the car, and I don't know what's going on. No return fuel system. Yeah. Okay. All right. I'm gonna give it a shot. All right. Clutch is in. That means
probably battery dead or something.
Battery?
Turn on your ignition.
Okay. Ignition.
Okay. You can try it, yeah.
Okay. Oop. What's that?
Yeah, I think your other battery could be dead too.
Holy. Checking for leaks right now. We're good so far, no leaks. It's running pretty smooth. I did spill a little bit of oil over here, so it might be leaking a little bit, but so far we're good. Yeah, no leaks. No leaking from the fittings. Oil pan's good. No more exhaust leaks. We're good. Turbo's on. Let's go. Blue coolant like you're supposed to with these Infinities. And then, yeah, go ahead and add it on. Add some more coolant to it and let it bleed the system. So there it is. It's on. Kind of sounds like a muffler right here, low key. Yeah.
it's on, man. The car's good. The idle's nice. Eugene's tune is solid. Idle's very nice right now. It sounds normal. Yeah, I mean, sounds pretty good, dude. You know, boom. Pretty quiet over here. You know what I mean? I'm already turning the car on right now. Sheesh. Took a full container of coolant plus an extra one. I didn't use all of that one yet, but man, that's crazy. So now just let it idle like this. And yeah, guys, after 3 weeks, the freaking IPL is freaking boosted, bruh. Let's go, man. Oh, I'm so excited. Here we go. All right, there it is. First drive real quick, test it out just to make sure everything's working properly fine. But yeah, man, so I won't be able to really hit boost and be doing craziness yet because tires are not really the greatest. And 2, I still got to upgrade my clutch, and then 3, I still need an oil clear. So right now I just wanted to make sure I get it on the car, make sure I can drive it around. So here it is. Let's go, bruh. Just make sure everything's, I'm gonna pull over, make sure everything's good. Yeah. So we just pulled over real quick just to make sure everything was good on it. Gosh, bro, the red calipers with the IPL. Oh my God, this thing looks so good now. But yeah, we just pulled over real quick just to make sure everything was good. One of my friends that has the same exact kid, he's lucid, he told me to watch this line right here because it's basically right on the exhaust, and it's down right there. So he told me to double heat wrap that. I did. I might even triple heat wrap it. You can never be too safe. And then I need to get a turbo guard too before I can really start driving it everywhere. So I'm gonna put the wheel liners and everything on the car right now, so I know nothing's gonna get to this area. So. Man, like, look how clean this thing looks. Oh my goodness. And I can finally take it out to drive it. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm just gonna button up everything, put the turbo guard on there. I'm gonna be making my own. So putting the turbo guard on them, putting all my undershields, my wheel liner. I don't want anything getting, you know, over there next to it. And I'm actually gonna put an extra layer of heat wrap on from the battery down to the alternator. And then also some of the cables that come from the harness that plugs into like the power steering, oil pressure, and then the oil temps. So, but yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. Taking this home finally after 3 freaking weeks, dude. This thing's been sitting here for 3 weeks. Undershield back on. I did get a V1 aluminum undershield, so let's see how this holds up. I got this basically for free. And then put the wood liners right here, and that's what I did. Just put like a little, you know, a nut on the bottom right here. Boom. Now it's all sturdy. And then I put a zip tie right here. So it's just sturdy. You should be good. I just don't want rocks like flying up and somehow getting into the turbo. I don't know how it would. I'm just preparing for the worst. All right, so yeah. All right, so we're good to go. Put the bumper back on and we can go ahead and take this home for the first time. All right, so this is the first drive on the freeway. Pretty good so far. Nothing bad going on. You know, check engine light, coolant tip is good. I need to get my ECUTek running so I can read all my, you know, gauges and stuff like that on the app. But so far so good. I'm not pushing it at all. I'm not getting in the boost or nothing like that. I just want to make sure the car's operating good, it's not overheating, and then I'll check to see if, you know, anything's, you know, getting hot or whatever. So, but yeah, first drive so good.
Get the turbo done. We're gonna get here and ride in it. Sheesh. You gonna drive it? You don't want to drive my car. I don't know why. If you guys like the video, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. If you guys got any questions or whatever, go ahead and DM me on Instagram. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.